We all love grilling, but do we love cleaning up a messy grill? Not so much. And we can all agree that the worst part about cleanup is washing out a full grease tray. We'll scrub down the grill grates, wash off the heat tents, give some TLC to the burner tubes, and clean the cook box. But most of us conveniently forget about a full grease tray until one day we get an unwelcome reminder dripping onto our deck. So you have a decision to make. You can clean it or replace it. If you want to put in the time and effort to clean it up, here's how, but be prepared to get dirty. First, remove the grease tray from the grill, being careful not to spill grease all over your deck or your hands. Ensure you have a safe and environmentally friendly place to dispose of all that grease. Whatever you do, don't pour grease down the drain. It can clog your pipes and cause huge problems in the sewer system. Instead, use a sealable container and dispose of it with your regular household garbage. Then, using warm soapy water and a coarse scrubber, get to work on wiping away all that gunk and grime left in your grease tray. It's not a pleasant process, but we'll get the grease tray back in action for a while. If it's deteriorating pretty badly, or it's too far gone to put yourself through the horrors of cleaning it up, don't worry. Grease trays are cheap, easy, and quick to replace, and you can save yourself a ton of time and effort without the gag factor. If you find yourself replacing the grease tray entirely, it's a good opportunity to inspect the rest of your grill for other parts that might need more than just a cleanup. It's better to replace parts before they fail so you don't end up having to fry your steak on a stovetop or buy a whole new grill. Thanks for watching. Visit eReplacementParts.com to pick up a new grease tray and any other parts you might need so you can spend more time grilling and less time scrubbing.